Hello, I'm Paul Erickson, author of The Wobbit, a parody of Tolkien's The Hobbit, a loving tribute to Bilbo Baggins. You know, at this time of year, my fellow nerds and I like to celebrate the birthday of Bilbo Baggins, which is commonly recognized as being on September 22nd. I wanted to make this year something special, something personal, and possibly generate some additional sales for my book. So I thought a YouTube video might be appropriate, maybe some of Bilbo's poetry, perhaps some. My teenage daughter suggested, though, that if I wanted to build the number of hits that I got on the video, that I might want to make it cuter. So without any further ado, I'd like to present my two cats, Everett and Freckles, in a performance of The Road Goes Ever On and On. Okay, guys, let's sing. Come on. Okay, here we go. Let's sing. Come on. Here we go. The road goes ever on.